Gonna make sure we have enough slack to get it over the truck. Now let's fold it over. Give it one good swing. Go around the other side and let's hook it over. Now come on to this side, pull it over, hook it right there. Make sure it's properly secured, hitting one of the rails. Come back around. Make sure you pull your slack out. Right here. Grab this lever here. And start the ratchet strap. How tension's tight. And then you're gonna throw the excess back over and tie it down. And take your excess. I'm gonna whip it through. And there you have it.